I have a Bolens BL110 string trimmer with rotted fuel lines. I have the replacement line, but I'm unsure how the lines function once they enter the tank. Does one go all the way to the bottom of the tank attached to a weight, outflow, and the other only just into the tank at the top return line?
Welcome. I'm PopDaddy. Thank you for using JustAnswer. The line that has the weighted line goes all the way from the opening of the tank to the other side, almost touching the opposite wall of the tank with the weight installed. The other is simply a vent line, and I usually leave about 1 inch protruding inside. Hook the lines up and pump the purge bulb to ensure the lines are installed on the correct nipples. You should see fuel surging through the lines. If you pump it several times and it seems to run out of surge, switch the lines at the carb end and try again. Hope that helps.
Great. Thanks.
If you require additional assistance on this issue, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.